The KZN Provincial Police Commissioner, General uMkhwanazi, has released statistics for the past financial year. Some people don't understand the reality of crime in South Africa in general, but these statistics are based in KZN. 105 suspects were killed in 38 shootouts with the police, and over 4,000 victims, they were slaughtered by violent criminals. There's people who are complaining about the criminals who are being shot and killed. I don't understand it. If a person is violent enough to shoot at the police, how much more vulnerable and unsafe is the life of a normal civilian if a person is violent enough to shoot at the police, and somehow we still want to save and preserve that life? No, we're not bothered by over 4,000 people in KZN who have been victims, who have been killed violently in violent crimes by these criminals. No, we are so concerned, society is concerned about the 105 suspects who were killed in 38 shootouts with the police. Like, on a mathematical sense, it doesn't, in the mathematical perspective, it doesn't. On the common sense and logical point of view, it doesn't make sense. The lives of the 4,000 is less significant compared to the lives of the 105. I don't understand it. When people are violent enough to shoot at the police, what they should get is the retaliation from the police, and the police should just aim to kill and shoot. Because clearly we're no longer safe if people can face the police like that and shoot at the police. How much more as ordinary civilians? We are not safe, guys. Wake up. But this is not kindergarten. This is not Teletubbies. This is not Takalani Sesame. It's not safe on the street. So at least what General uMkhwanazi is doing, the KZN Provincial Police Commissioner is doing, is to instill fear, is to bring back fear in the hearts of people who cannot be ruled by their conscience or their fear of God or their respect of human life. Let General uMkhwanazi continue to do what he needs to do to bring back fear in the hearts of people who don't value human life, whose conscience somehow is dead, and they don't have respect for law and for human life. The lives of 105 suspects who were killed in 38 shootouts with the police is not more important than the lives of over 4,000 victims who were killed in violent crimes. It is not. Yes, every life matters, but the moment your behavior, your conduct, and the way you do things, it threatens the existence and the well-being and the life of someone else violently, why should your rights be more protected than the rights of the one who is the victim of your actions?